Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can share link in Instagram story. Let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Then if you want to share a link in your Instagram story, you can simply swipe left your screen like this. And you can choose this button. Right, just click on it. And after that we can click on this sticker button. Then there will be several options for you, and if you want to share a link to your Instagram story, you can click on link option right here and put the link that you want to share to your Instagram story. And this is the link that I want to share, and after that we can click on done right here. Alright, and this is the link guys, and if you want to share the story, you can click on this button. Click on your story. And let's check it together guys. Okay, and this is the link that we have just shared to Instagram story. Okay guys, that's how we can share a link in Instagram story. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.